Hello. If you come to this video because you like my presentation on spectral analysis of 2x2 matrices, efficiency tricks, and you would like to reuse this presentation in your own class, then in this video I will explain how to do this with minimal effort. It is very easy and you can start doing it right now. All you need to do, you need to visit the page where the demo is recorded for you. And the link to that page is in the description to this video. Here it is. And then you can run this presentation as if it's yours with the minimal knowledge and with the minimal effort. Have a look. I open the link to the demo. Here's the demo. All of the content of the slide is fully visible and fully available to you. You can delete elements, you can add elements, or you can keep it the way it is. And now once you have it, all you need to remember is how to start your presentation and how to step through individual elements or individual steps of your presentation. So in my plan, or in your plan, when you present it, you will probably open elements one by one. First you will open the title, then you will open the matrix, then you will open the sentence which explains what the task is about, and then you will open the elements of your solution, what the characteristic polynomial is, how you compute that, and so on and so forth. So before you do that, first you have to start your presentation, and by start I mean you have to hide every element on the slide. You do this by pressing the capital V key. If you do so, all the elements on your slide will be hidden. No one will see them, including you, but if you move your mouse pointer around, you can see once you move the mouse pointer onto individual elements or onto the places where they were before you hid them, you can see that the presentation software shows you in a very faint color what the element actually is. This will be helpful for you to know where the elements are. The other way to know where the elements are is the Z key. If you press the Z key, all of the elements on your slide will be shown in this faint color and you will be able to see where they are. This Z key, I call it hinting. So the little Z key, when you press it, it hints where the elements are. Now, in order to show the element, or we say play the element to your audience, all you have to do, you have to move a pointer onto the element and press the capital Z key. Once you do so, the software will start playing the element on your behalf, as if you type it in front of your audience. So you see, I just move my pointer onto the title, press the capital Z, and the software played the element for me. So the next step will be opening the matrix. So I move my pointer onto the matrix, press capital Z, and the matrix is being played in front of your audience. And that's basically two keys which you need to remember, or actually three keys which you need to remember in order to run this presentation for your class. First key is the capital V, the one which brings the presentation to the start point where everything is hidden. The second one is the capital Z, which plays the element by element, the content of your presentation. And the little z is the one which helps you to see where the elements are, the one which hints the elements for you. This is definitely not all the keys which are available, not all the functionality which is available in the software, but these three will definitely help you to start using the slide in your own class.